Hello students, welcome to General Academy. Today I am going to start question number 5 of exercise 7, which says express in compound quantity. Okay, what is that? Before, what we had converted from kg to gram or centigram or suppose hectoliter to liter or milliliter to kiloliter, like from one particular quantity we have converted to one particular quantity. Now it says express in compound quantity. That means it has to be everything. What is that? Let me start one question. Then you will come to understand. The first question of 5.1 is which says 7.0 sorry 7.302 kg. Okay, and we have to express this in compound quantity. Okay, as usual, write down the table, that is kg, hectog, decag, g, decig, centig, and mg. Now put this 7 in 7 position and write down this number 302. Now the answer is 7 kg, 7 kg, 3 hectog, 3 hectog, 0 decagram, so we don't have to mention this as it is 0. Then 2 gram, 2 gram. So 7.302 kg, when we convert it into compound quantity, we get 7 kilogram, 3 hectogram, 2 gram. This is the answer. Okay. Next, question number 2 part. Sorry. Question number 2 part 5, which is 4.0 36 meter. Write down the table: kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter, and millimeter. And write down this meter. Then 4 in meter position, 0, 3, 6. That means the answer is 4 meter, 0 we don't have to mention it, 3 centimeter, and 6 millimeter. This is the answer. Next, question number 3 of 5. It says 231.254 centimeter. Now in this, either you could write the whole table or whole structure, or the structure that is required only to solve this problem. And I'm going to solve 5 part 3. 2, 3, 1, 2, 5, 4. Okay, what I was telling, either you can write the whole structure or the structure that is required to solve this particular problem. So initially we will write the whole structure, that is kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter and millimeter. Now 231.254 centimeter. Now in centimeter you have to write this 1 and 3, 2, and this 0.254 would be at the millimeter position. That means this quantity is 2 meter, 3 decimeter, 1 centimeter and 0.254 centimeter. Okay. Now about this I have little doubt. I will check it and then I will rectify it if required. Okay. So till then we got the answer of this 2 meter, 3 decimeter and 1 centimeter. Okay, let me check the answer once. That is exercise 7, 5 part 3. That is 5 part 3, 231 and centimeter. Next. 5 part 4, 61.027 and this is hectogram. Kilogram, hectogram, decagram, gram, decigram, centigram and milligram. Now it is written over here 61 61.027 is on the 61 point millimeters into meter. Okay. 61 hectogram, that means 61 hectogram means 1 and this 61 hectogram and this 0.027 and that will be written in this fashion. It is 4, 5 per 1, 0, 2, 7. Whatever it is, you just write in this manner and you will get your answer. 6 1, that is 6 kg, 1 8 g, 0, omit this, 2 g and 7 dg. That is 6 kilogram, 1 hectogram, 2 gram and 6 decigram. This is the answer. in this case, why we had to keep it in this decimal position? Because after millimeter we cannot stretch it. You see, 5 per 5, which is 0.341 decameter. I'll use another method here, not usually what we are using the technique. How did you get this? We just put it for decimal 1. After decimal, how many digits? 3. So 3 digits. And it is decameter. So write down kilometer, hectometer, decameter, decameter, and meter, decimeter, centimeter, and millimeter. Now we have made it this 0.341 decameter. That means we had divided 1000 means we came back 3 steps from the right hand side. 3 steps means this is 1, 2, 3. That means we started from here and came here. So initially it was 341 centimeter, but as we return to the decameter, we had to divide this by 1000. Okay, that means originally it was 341 centimeter. Now to stretch this, either you could write the answer is 341 centimeter, but we had to express it in compound quantity, not in one quantity. So we cannot write only one quantity as answer. Okay, so now write down again kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter, and millimeter. It's not complicated. No, it is not hard, but it is little bit twisted. You know? Now we have to know this. Now, as we have this 0.314 dm. Suppose 0.31, so we have to go back to 1, 2, 3. Divide this. Okay. Now this 0.341 dm, that work with this thing, clear concept, than to give you a confused idea. 5 part 6 also in the same manner. 5 part 7, that is 6003 that is write down the table: kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter, and millimeter, and it is written in HM position. That means that means it is written here 6003. Now we had to stretch it near the left hand side. We cannot stretch it towards the right side. You see, as it is here, put the point in the ground position. See? Now 0, 5, 6. That means here it is 5 centigram and 6 milligram. 5 per that is 5 centigram and 6 milligram. This is the answer. When it is division, you just do, when it is a matter of decimal, you just point the decimal where it is the original quantity and just write down right hand side. And when there is no decimal, you just write down the quantity in the left hand side. Okay. Now it is clear. And I will go back to question number 5 and all. Now question number 10 of part 5 of exercise 7, which is 5.89 meter. This is kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter, and millimeter. Meter. Now 5 meter and if we divide this, that is 589 for decimal 1, after decimal 2 digit, this is 100. So it is 5 and put the decimal here. This is 8 and 9. 5 meter, 8 centimeter, 5 per 10. 5 meter, 5 meter, 8 decimeter, and 9 centimeter. Okay. That sorry, 8 should be here and 9 because already the decimal is here. That means it is only for explanation purpose. Only this. Now your answer is 5 meter, 8 decimeter, and 9 centimeter. Okay. Next, skip question number. Okay, let us go back to there. We are unable to solve question number. Which one? This one. Question number 3. Okay. That is what we can do here. Is kilometer and it is written in centimeter. Now in centimeter position, you just write down these 2 and 54. This is the, we cannot prolong it more than millimeter. And this 231, this is 1 should be here and 3 here and 2 here. That is, this answer should be 2 decameter, 3 meter, 1 decimeter, If it is, if you understand this, okay. Otherwise, I will explain it to in another video. It is little bit complicated. I am unable to explain it to you. Next, but question number 4 says that is 61.027 hectogram. Write down the structure.